Okay. So we'll finding the square root. So from the right side, we will take the numbers in pair and this one alone. So 1, 1, 1 ones are 1. Okay. And then 8, 7. Then 2 will multiply with 3. Then both the whole the numbers will multiply by 3. 69 is less than this. So we will try with 4. If we'll multiply with 4, 4 4 just 16, 4 2 is 8, and 1 9. That means 96 will be greater than this. That means 96 will not be. So we will take 3. So by 3 we will multiply. So you will get 69.
69.
Okay, that 69 we will write. So 3 and 3 and 6 9. We'll subtract. 8 carry 1 7 1 8. Now 6 9 will come down. Double of 13 is 26. Always it will come by double of this quotient. So 1 double 2, then 2 3, and it will become 1 3, and then after double of 13 26. Now whatever we will write over here, suppose with 1, then we need to multiply this number with 1. 2 by 2, the same way we'll write here 3. Then it is 1800, and here it is 200. That means we will try by at least 7 or 8 or 9 like that. We will first try with 7. Okay, 7 with 7. 7 7 is 49. 4 in hand. 7 6 is 42, and 4 46.
46, 4.
4 in hand. 7 2 is 14 and 4 18. It's become equal with this. Okay, nice. Then our number will be 7. Then we
Yes.
will write here 7. That is this much. So what the square root of
137.
18769 is 137.
37.
Hope you have understood how to find the square root. Everyone
sir.
has understood that. If not, you will see that recording. This will be there in your app. Now question number 2. Find the value of this following. That means any of this. Your request is this one. I'm coming it back later. First, I'm doing any of this. Suppose I'm doing is this question number F. So question number 2F. You need to find out the square root of 24.01 and also 31.36. Okay. So what we will do? Point after how many digit? 2 digit. So remove our point after here also 2 digit. So now the point remove. Now the number only remain 2401 by 3136. Now 2401 we will find the square root. Take the number from the right side, pair and pair, and then after 4 4 the 16, 4 4 16. Okay, 801 4 double 8. So how much we will write over here? 9.
8 9 just 72.
If we'll write 9, 9 9s are 81, 8 in hand, 8 9s are 72, and 8 80. That means it will give you 801. So exactly our numbers. Okay, so then after we will write 9801. So what will be the square root? 49.
49.
Very good. So here we'll write 49. 49. Then after,
Yes.
we need to find the square root of. Before that, let me clean that portion. We will also find the square root of this denominator 3136. Okay, so 5 5s are 20,
25.
5, 6,
6.
3, 6, 5 double,
25.
10. No,
10.
5 double, 10. Now
10.
what will number? Now we'll multiply with 6. With 6. That means we'll get 636. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So already
Yes,
we know
sir.
this. So we'll multiply with 6.
Then 56 will be the answer.
Then the answer will be
49
49 by
by
56.
56.
You- Okay, you can cut with 7.
Yes, sir.
7 8 is 56
7
and
7 are
7 are.
49.
So what
7 by
is
8.
7 by 8? Okay, easy, understood?
Yes, sir. Very easy.
Very well.
Yes, sir, very easy. And sir, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Tell. Yes, I can
Okay.
hear you. Tell. Who's saying?
Sir, I'm Manushi.
Yes, tell Manushi.
Sir, nothing. I think my microphone is disturbing. And that's why I called you.
Okay, okay. No, you are audible. No problem. Find the value of this. Find the value of the following up to 3 decimal places. So
Sir,
this
2H is not done.
2A, 2A, not done.
2H, sir.
Oh, 2H. Okay, I'm doing that. So this one complete. You have noted down all this.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let me clean all this. Now 2H. What is that? It's given root over of 0.0081 divided by 0.0289. First of all, we can write this number in this way. We can write 81 by 4.1123440. And also we can write this 89 by 289 by 1 after 40. Okay, then these and these 1 after 40, 1 after 40. This and this can be cancelled out. So the number will remain 81 by 289 root over. Root over of 89 means 9. Root over of 289 means 17. So what we will get the number 9 by
9
17.
by 70.
Yes. Now question number 3. A. Okay, you copy down this one up to this and you try for 2 minutes. You try for 2 minutes. 3A. And then after I'm coming back, that means I'll help you back. You try for this. Complete?
Yes, sir.
Okay. By this time, I'm taking your roll call. Give response.
Okay, sir.
Sir, yesterday you have not made me present, sir.
Yes?
Yesterday you have not means you have not made me present.
To you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, I made you present later. Okay, I'll check it today.
Hello, sir.
Yes, tell.
Hello, sir.
Ronak.
So today, yes, sir. So today present is done.
Today I'm making you present. Not done yet. I'm doing it now. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's it, sir. My electricity is gone. That's it.
Okay, whose name I'll call, you will give response. You will give
Okay,
response.
sir.
I'll call you by name. Okay, class 8. Akil is absent. Akil Qureshi.
Yes, sir.
Let you see the screen also. Akil Qureshi absent. Devadrita present. Devi Prasad Mandal is absent or present. Those who are already present, I know. I'm seeing over here. They need not to respond. And those name I'm calling you, you give response on that name only. Devi Prasad, are you there? No. Devi Prasad absent. Diti Priya, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Inayat Hajari.
Present, sir.
Okay. Jagriti is present. No problem.
Sir, Devi Prasad came.
Why Devi Prasad so late every day? Manmat Aryanshu. Are you, okay.
came.
Munsi Ayan Islam, you are there? Munsi Ayan Islam, are you there? No, absent. Rhythm Saxena is present. Ronak present. Sania present. Shreya present. Arsad present. Okay,
Yes,
no
sir.
problem. Atif Aslam is there. Atif Aslam. Atif Aslam, are you there? Then it's absent. Sohana Parveen, are you there?
No, she just she was there.
Okay. Somodi
Sir,
present.
she is there
So
now also. Sohana is
okay, Sonik
Another.
Khara. Sonik Khara is there. Sonik Khara absent. Trishanjit.
Sir.
Okay, Trishanjit is present.
Yes, sir. Present.
Okay, Sonik is absent, right? Okay,
Can
done.
you please again tell me how to log in the Class Plus app?
Okay, I'll tell you. Wait.
sir, that I
So
told
last
you.
days, that means
Sir,
yesterday's. Wait. Yesterday's Somodev, you are asking that. Let me see. Somodev Das. Yes. Okay, I made you present last day.
Thank you, sir.
So class plus F login. I have to show you. Then I have to log out from there.
Sir, will I show?
You
Sir?
are doing through mobile or you are doing through
A
your
laptop.
laptop. So
Yes, sir.
yeah, if you are doing through laptop, then you need not to download app. You will log out. Okay. You will log out. Once you log out, they will ask you organization code. So you will
So the
put,
website is www.classplusapp.com.
yes, yes. This one. Okay. So BBU WT. Then you will verify. Then you will put your mobile number. Then you will continue. You will get an OTP on mobile number. Then you will verify that and you will join. Okay.
Sir, we all have to log. Hello, sir.
Yes, I'm listening. Tell.
Sir, we all have to log there. I haven't logged it.
Yes, in this way only we will log in. Okay. Yes. Understood. I got the OTP in my mobile. And then after. Easy? You have to do in
Yes,
this
sir.
way also. Now come back to our portion.
On this.
This. So root over of 600 and
Sir, what is the origin code?
yes,
What is the origin code?
BBUW.
BBUWT. Okay, now see root over 623. Sorry, 627. You need to find the value of this up to the 3 decimal places. Okay, so when you will ask for that, you take up to the 3 decimal places. In that case, you will take the number 3 pairs of zeros or 4 pairs of zeros. 627.1234. That means 2 pair, 3 pair, 4 pairs. 1, 2, 3, 4 pairs of zeros I have taken. Okay. Now I'm finding the value of it. Now 2 to the 4, 2 to 7, 2 double 4. Next, what we will put?
5.
5. If I will put 5, then 5 4 are 20. 5 5 are 25. 2 in hand. This. Okay. Now 2.
Hello, sir.
Yes. Put 5.00. Yes. Are you asking anything? 25 double.
Yes, sir. I have joined. I am joining from many times. I can't join because my internet was so slow. Sir, please make me present. You have
Okay,
done me
okay.
absent.
Okay, Sonik. Now observe the class. I'll make you present. No matters. See 00. You have taken down this one, this pair of zeros, and then after it's become 50. Now whatever I'll put, it will become 500. It is already 200. If you write 3, if you write it 3, then it will be 3 3 is 9, 3 0 0, 1509. So it will be more than that. If you write 1, then it is 500. If you write 2, then also it will become more. If you write 1, then also it will become more. Then what to do? Then we'll take down another pair of zeros. Understood? This and this. And we'll put 0 here. And
Yes,
now
sir.
we will take 0 here. So we'll have now 500. And here it is. How much? 20,000. And here it is 5,000. If we'll put 1 even, it is 5,000. So you can put 3 right now. So 3 3s are 9, 300, 300, 3 5s are 15, 15,000. So 15,000 and 9. So 20,000, you are subtracting it. So 15,000 and 9. So how much result you will get? Here we'll get, we'll use calculator. This minus 15,009. So 4,991. Then what to do? We have taken up to 2 decimal places only. Now we have to take down another zeros, pair of zeros. Now how much we got? 2,503. If we'll take down the double of this, 6, 0, 5 to the 10, 0, 1 carry, 2 to the 4, 1, 5. This
5.
much. And now
Yes,
you have how much? You have 4,99,100. And here you have 50,000. So how many times we can go for? At least 50,000. Double makes 1 lakhs. Here it is 4 lakhs. So we can go for at least 8 times. So now we'll use our calculator again. So 50,000, 68, 50068 will multiply it with 8. We'll get this much. Okay, that means 4 lakhs something. So 4 lakhs. How much we are getting? 4 lakhs 544. Okay, 544. So we got here 8. So now another pair of zeros will take down. So we'll subtract this one. That means 499,100. We are subtracting this 400, 544. What will get? This much. 9, 8.
556.
Yes. 5, 5 and 6. And this another pair of zeros will be there. And the double of this will take down here. Double of how much? Double of this 25,038. So we will get only 50,076. This much. And whatever the number will put over here, it will become 5 lakhs. And how much you have here? 98 lakhs. So how much you will require to take? What would be, suppose if we are taking if we will take 50, if we'll take this one as 8, that means how much it will go? We'll do the calculations. 5007. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hope your time is completed. Let's see.
Sir, make me present.
Yes, I'll make you present later, Sony. So it is 11:37. That means your time is already over. We have another class. So I'm going to end this class today. These portions we will do
Thank you,
next
sir.
day. Okay. Up to this much you take the
Thank
note
you,
down.
sir.
Thank you,
Okay.
sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Sir, please make me present
Thank you, sir.
later.
Yes, yes. Sony.